Alright, and also after changing that track bar, if you remember at the beginning, when we rocked the steering wheel back and forth, we had a lot of clunking noise. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on the truck, 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Alright, running it down the highway. A lot of bumps. Usually triggers the front end to start to shake, vibrate. Get around 60, or 64, next to hit 65. There's no shaking, no rattling. So that bad ball joint on that track bar must have been the culprit. The only thing that did happen is now my steering wheel's off again, which that's an easy fix. We get back to the house, we'll fix that. Alright, to adjust our steering wheel back straight again, center it up. We're going to go underneath the front end, passenger side. We're looking at this bar here. This one goes all the way up to the steering box, or your pitman arm. We're going to loosen this coupling and turn it. I need my steering wheel to go counterclockwise, so we'll turn this clockwise. These are on mine, I don't know about yours, 15mm nuts. Loosen both of them up. And I sprayed the threads. I've already been under here before, changing out the tie rod ends. But more than likely you're going to build up quite a bit of sand, dirt, grit. So spraying something on there to loosen all that mess up will make this a lot easier. Pliers might be needed. Let's see, my steering wheel, I need to go counter. This goes clockwise. Yeah, pliers definitely needed again up here. And depending on how far yours needs to be turned, I think I'm gonna go right there. I'm just guessing at it. I won't really know until I take it for a drive. So when I get this tightened back up, we will do that. That should be good for right now. We're just going to take it down the road and back. Alright, we're running it down the road again, see how far off or how close I got the steering wheel. It's still a little bit off, as you can see. I brought the tools with me. We'll pull over and we'll adjust it a little bit more. I just stopped side of the road, made a quick adjustment, turned it a little bit more. This is where I'm at now. I'm happy with that. So when I get to the house, I'll go ahead and tighten it down real good. Make sure it doesn't loosen up or move or adjust on me anymore. Yeah, if this helped you out, great. Like, subscribe, share, comment. I answer all the comments or read them all. Thanks for watching. When we rocked the steering wheel back and forth, we had a lot of clunking noise.